Hi, this video will show you how the activity tracker works and how to use it. From this homepage, go to the sidebar and click Activity Tracker. The Activity Tracker records employee activities and displays screenshots, AI summaries, or both, depending on the selected settings. When the time tracker is active, the system automatically captures screenshots at regular intervals. This runs in the background and won't interrupt your work. On the activity tracker, each screenshot is automatically classified by AI. It shows the type of activity, such as communication, design, learning, marketing, etc. It also shows the software used, like Gmail, Figma, YouTube, or Google, and others. This helps you quickly understand what tasks employees are working on and which applications they use. Now, hover over a screenshot to see the AI summary. The summary explains what's happening on screen, giving you deeper insights into the activity. You can also view each screenshot's AI confidence score by hovering over this area. If the score is above 80%, it means the classification is accurate and reliable. Next, let's take a look at the activity tracker modes. These modes can be adjusted based on your company's preferences or individual employee needs. Each offers a different level of visibility. All modes allow you to track activity in different ways, except when the tracker is disabled. In that case, no productivity data will be collected. For managers and employees, the activity tracker drop-down on their own page is disabled and cannot be adjusted. However, users with HR, admin, or super admin roles are able to adjust the mode for staff members. To adjust activity tracker mode, first, select the employee from the staff name drop-down. Next, choose the mode you want from the activity tracker drop-down. This setting only applies to new data. Existing data stays as before. Now, you might be thinking about privacy. Don't worry, Teamtrics lets you delete your screenshots whenever you need. You can delete them individually or in bulk. To delete individually, select the checkbox next to the screenshot you want to delete. Click the Delete button. A pop-up will appear. Enter a remark as your reason. Now click Delete button to finish. To bulk delete, select the Select All checkbox. Click the Delete button. Enter a remark as your reason. Now click Delete button to finish.